Smart lock installation tutorial. Install the body. Put the lock body to door holes. Use the 2 screws to fix it. Install the lock cylinder. Use the long screw to fix it on the side. Put the square rod into the lock body. Pay attention to the direction of the square rod. Install the 2 screw tubes on the front panel. Fit the front panel on the door. Put the front panel connecting wire into the door hole. Connect the connecting wires. Pay attention to the alignment of the holes of the front and rear panels. Test the handles. Fix the front and rear panels with screws. Install 4 PCS-AAA batteries. Fix the battery cover.